Welcome to my first YouTube video of this Gran Turismo license B1 starting and stopping. So the goal here is to get the car stopped within the marked zone at the end, the white and blue squares. The trick here is to find the right braking point and get to a complete stop within these markers here. So let's get to it. The time to beat is 20 seconds for gold, so let's try and get that. Here when you start, just plank it. I know you'll get some wheel spin, but it doesn't really matter for this license. Up to second and then to third. And then watch for the orange and white cones on the side, just about here. That's your braking point. Slam on the brakes, back to second, back to first, and then that should be gold. Just about, but gold is gold. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next Gran Turismo tutorial. Thank you guys.